Hi, I'm Mike.
And I'm Erin.
And you're?
Mackenzie.
What's your name?
Gracie.
Gracie, and this is Lincoln over here. And I read somewhere a long time ago that if you counted all your blessings, they would way outnumber any type of, what's the word I'm looking for? Any type of bad thing that's ever happened to you. If you counted your blessings, they would way outnumber your misfortunes. That's the word I'm looking for, misfortunes. So anyway, we just wanted to take a few minutes and sit down with you guys and kind of tell you what we're thankful for. And number one, we're thankful for each other, aren't we?
Lincoln's calling me over.
And we're thankful for Lincoln, because he's just like special.
And me, because I'm attracted to the camera.
You're attracted to the camera. What are you thankful for, Gracie?
A ranch.
You're thankful for the ranch? Yeah, and what are you thankful for, Kenzie?
Moo moo cow.
Moo moo cow. Hey, Lincoln, are you thankful for anything? The ability to jump? Nope, he's done.
What about the Mighty Pops? Are you thankful for the Mighty Pops? Now that I mentioned that, he's confused.
What about you, Erin? Anything that you're thankful for this year?
Of course, our family. And I'm thankful for all of our YouTube subscribers. And
that was not directed at you guys. That's just the sound that he makes.
Maybe laughing at me. Ow.
This video is a disaster.
It is a disaster.
I think it's funny. This could be a blooper.
All right, guys. So we have some other people who also want to wish you a very happy Thanksgiving. So let it roll.
Hi, I'm Blake from the YouTube channel Guy in Wyoming, and I just wanted to take a minute and wish you and the rest of the Our Wyoming Life family a very happy Thanksgiving.
Hey Mike and Erin and the family, this is Josh, Stony Ridge Farmer, wishing you and your viewers a happy Thanksgiving this year. Alright? Woo!
Hi, I'm Nick.
And I'm Stephanie. I'm Lainey. Happy Thanksgiving from our family to the Our Wyoming Life family from sunny Cozumel, Mexico.
Good morning everybody. This is Zach Hewitt. I just want to say happy Thanksgiving to Mike, Erin, Mackenzie, Grace, and Lincoln, and everybody else out there from the Owl family. Hope you all have a blessed day with family, friends, or whoever you decide to spend the day with. Snickers says hi too.
Hi, I'm Matt. I want to wish everybody who's watching this a happy Thanksgiving.
Hi, I'm Dave.
And I'm Tammy.
And we're admins for the All Things Agriculture group Facebook page.
So from North Carolina, Dave and I want to wish you a very happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Howdy there, Our Wyoming Life family. Bill the Tractor Man here.
Cameraman Dan.
I'm thankful for good friends, good family, good tractors like the old Sears, not the wheel horse.
I'm thankful for my little old wheel horse and this lovely home I live in.
Have a happy Thanksgiving.
And of course, we're thankful for all of you guys. And we do appreciate you guys coming out every week, hanging out with us, every single video, every single post, every podcast, everything. It's insane. But we never ever thought that we would be at this point, and we are very thankful to be where we are. We're on the ranch, we have our family, and we have you. So with that said, have a very happy Thanksgiving.
Ow!
You want to say happy Thanksgiving?
Happy Thanksgiving.